Deep clean your shower once a month and adjust frequency upward if you see soap scum, mildew, or heavy use. For a monthly deep clean, start by removing all bottles, mats, and accessories and rinse surfaces with warm water to loosen grime. Make a cleaning solution of equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle and saturate tile grout in glass, letting it sit for 10 minutes to break down soap scum and mineral deposits. For grout, scrub with a stiff nylon brush using a paste of baking soda and water applied directly to stained lines, then rinse thoroughly to avoid residue. For stubborn mineral buildup on fixtures, soak a microfiber cloth in vinegar. Wrap it around the faucet for 15 to 30 minutes, then wipe and buff with a dry cloth to restore shine. Use a squeegee on glass and tile after every shower to remove water droplets and prevent hard water spotting and mildew formation. Finish with a light mist of diluted vinegar on the entire shower and leave the door or curtain open to air dry and reduce humidity. Common mistakes include waiting until the shower looks bad before cleaning, which lets stains set and raises the chance of mold growth, so treat a small section weekly with vinegar and squeegee daily to keep issues from becoming major. Another error is using abrasive tools or harsh chemical mixes that damage grout and glass, so choose nylon brushes and gentle cleaners like vinegar and baking soda and test on an inconspicuous spot first. People often forget ventilation, which prolongs moisture and odor. Run an exhaust fan during and after showers, or open a window and leave the door ajar for at least 20 to 30 minutes to dry surfaces. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills and availability. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences about maintenance tasks like shower cleaning.